this video, we will show how to replace the bypass valve, which contains a new turbine. Prior to removing the bypass valve, please ensure that you have used the bypass tool to close both the inlet and outlet bypass valve knobs and depressurize the system. Then push the meter cable tip upwards from underneath the bypass valve and lift it up and off to the side. Then use either a crosshead type screwdriver or nut driver to remove the screw and clip sets that hold the bypass valve and the valve body together. They are located on each side of the control valve. Then wiggle the bypass valve and valve body away from each other. Notice that the outlet side coupling remained inside the valve body. You'll be able to easily pull it out of the valve body. Before placing the new bypass valve into position, let's take a look at where the turbine is located, which is on the outlet side of the bypass valve. There are two magnets located on either side of the turbine. These magnets allow the control valve to measure the water volume passing through the unit. As the turbine spins, the meter cable tip detects the magnets to track the total number of gallons that have passed through the system. This honeycomb design on the outlet coupling acts as a flow straightener to allow the treated water to pass through evenly. You can easily push the coupling into the bypass valve. Then ensure that a light amount of silicone grease is applied to the two O-rings located on the adapter couplings. Then, using either a crosshead style screwdriver or nut driver, tighten the screw and clip into position on both sides. Next, ensure that you place the meter cable tip back in its position and snap into place. Then remember to slowly open the bypass valve knobs to allow water to flow through the system and repressurize it. You have now successfully replaced the bypass valve, complete with a new turbine.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.